Hi, welcome to this video tutorial. In this video tutorial, we are going to make some edits to our block wall, to the architectural block wall that connect the fourth floor to the roof floor. I will go to my 3D view now. As you can see, this beam, the block wall is not extending to the bottom of this beam. Also, this beam, the block wall is not extending to the bottom of this beam. This beam, the block wall is now extended to the bottom of this beam. Also, along the line B, if you should see, the block wall is not touching. If you look at it closely, you'll see that the block wall is not touching the beam. That is because we've changed the elevation of our floor, so we can easily fix the elevation, the block wall for B, just by raising our wall by the same by raising our block wall by the elevation we use to raise the floor at the line B. But I should go to my AutoCAD drawing. You should note the elevation at the line B is using my calculator. The elevation at the line B will be 18780 minus 18425 355. So it means that if I should increase my wall on the fourth story level, I'm now on the fourth story level. I want to edit the wall load. I want to increase the height of the wall by 355 rather. So I've clicked one of the beam along the line B. I will edit beam wall load, and I will add 355 to it. You should use your calculator. Our current value is 2.965. So 2965 plus 355. This is 3320. So I'll change this value to 3.32. 3320. 3.32. So I will press OK. So this wall has been edited, updated. So what I'll do now, I'll copy this wall load, copy beam wall load, and I will paste I will hold down my control key on my keyboard to select the other beam element along that grid. And then I will right click and paste the copied beam wall load. So if I go to my 3D view, you will see that my wall is touching the bottom of the beam now. For this beam element here, we can use trial by error to increase the height of the wall, maybe just below the beam. So I'm on story 4 now, and this beam is a story 4 beam. So if I right click my mouse and I click on edit beam wall load and say I increase the height to like 3.5, let's see the effects. And I click on OK. You can see small effects. I will increase it again. Edit beam wall load. I will increase it again to like 4.5. Oh, the effect is not seen again. Sorry. My right click button is no more functioning. Okay, it's now functioning. Edit beam wall load. Okay, and this one I changed the wrong value. This is 3.5. I'm supposed to change this to 4.5. Okay, 4.5. Let's see the difference. So it's very close to the beam now. If I should increase it by 0.5, I think I'll get just the bottom of the beam. Edit beam wall load. Let me change to 5 meters. Wow. So that wall is carrying a 5-meter high wall. So you should know that. So you can also change this to 5 meters. Leave it to 5 meters. Change the wall height to 5 meters. It's not okay. I'll add 0.3 to it. 5.3. Not still okay. Right click. Right click is not working again. Select another beam and select the beam again. Then click on right click. Edit beam wall load. Say 5.7. 5.7. So I think I like it okay like that. You do the same thing for this beam. Edit beam wall load. Change this to 5.7. Uh, what to be noticing something? This wall is too high, and it won't be. It's not good. So instead of doing this, let me see if I can undo what I cannot undo my step. I will, because of the height is getting to 6 meters. I will lower the height of the wall. So I will lower it back down to just below the story 4. Um, say 2.5. I'll lower it down more. Say 2 meters. Lower it down more. I did say 1.4. So you just carry 1.4 load. I'll do the same thing here. 1.4. Edit beam wall load. Edit beam wall load. I'll change the height to 1.4. I'll provide another beam at the story level. I will drop it down a bit to say 1 meter. I'll do the same thing here. The height is excessive. I don't like it. Choose another beam. Select this beam. Edit beam wall load. Change this to 1 meter. Too low. Edit beam wall load. Change this to 1.4. I'll leave it like this. So what I will do, I will insert beam at that floor level. Edit, click this beam. No, the beam will be 230 by 450 because it's only carrying wall load. So I will insert insert another beam at that region. The beam cannot be inserted at this location. Please check the neighbor ring members. Okay, I cannot insert two beams in one region. Okay, that is because of I'm still dropping the beam, so I'll change I'm supposed to change the I and J value to 0. Do not click update now. I will insert the beam now. You see it's going to insert. Click this point, click this point. So check the 3D view. You see the beam. I'll do the same thing for the other side. Insert the beam from the line C to this point. Also do the same thing here. If I check my 3D view, I will see my 3 beams inserted. So what I will do now, I will place our wall load on the beam. But before I will work on the half-turn staircase beam first. This load go to story 5. No, story 4. This is story 4 beam. Okay. And this story 4, I will increase the height a bit by say 0.5. If I should add 0.5 to 2.965, the value is 2.965 plus 0.5, 3.465. So 3.465. So I'll leave that like that. I will copy this beam load. Okay. I'm finding it difficult to right click. Like my right click is not working. Just continue. Try it now. Okay. Now I'll copy that beam wall load. I'll paste it on this beam because they're on the same level. And I think it's not working. Edit. I will paste copy beam wall load. So you see that the wall height has been extended. So I will copy this beam wall load. Copy beam wall load. I will paste on these 3 beams here. Paste copy beam wall load. You can see they are okay now. Remain this beam here. This beam here, I would like to reduce the height of the wall. Edit beam wall load. Reduce it down by say to say like 2.2 meters. See the effects. It's not okay. I'm not okay with it. I'll still reduce it down more. Say 1.5 meters. And I'll place another beam just below at the story level. Let me drop it a bit. Say 1.1 meters. So I will insert a beam at that region. I will select this beam, right click, property, the 3D, I'll change it to 0. Do not click update. You click update, the property of this beam will be changed, and you don't want to do that. What you want to do, you want to insert another beam at 0, 0. So I'll place another beam. You see the beam in my 3D view. This is the beam. So I'll select this beam and copy its wall load to this beam. I'll paste it to that beam. So yes, everything looks fine now. I've I've edited the wall load for my structure. Um, so what you need to do now, after you have completely modeled all your structural members on Orion 18 and applied the load, you should edit the member by relabeling the member so it will have a consistent label, say labeling from left to right in a sequence. So you go to the edit menu, you click on relabel member. You relabel your column, your wall, your beams, your slab. If there is a roof slab, you don't have a roof slab, but it doesn't matter. You can leave it. You can check it. So our column and slab will be labeled from left to top, right to bottom. You can specify the order. Also, your wall and beam, your vertical members too, your columns and wall. So you label all your structural members for all story. If you uncheck it, only the story 4 will be relabeled. But I want all my members in my from story 1 to story 5 to be relabeled. So I'll click on OK. So all the members have been relabeled. I've come to the end of this tutorial. In my next tutorial, we're going to run the Orion 18 structural. We're going to perform structural analysis using Orion 18 software. We have successfully modeled our structural members on Orion 18 software. Thank you for watching the video.